YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Guys, the crypto market is cooking right now. Are we about to be back on our way to all-time highs in June after all? Look at Bitcoin coming in at a 106. Are we starting to see the price action that we need? Is it actually happening on a Monday? Or is this just some fake out action? Some early in the week fake out action, man. That's what I want to know. As you guys could see, fear greed index coming in at a 58. Bitcoin dropping down a little bit in dominance. Some of these altcoins starting to take off right now. Look at Bitcoin coming in at 106.2. Big deal. Big deal. But again, is Bitcoin starting to take off? Is Bitcoin going to send? Look, we were concerned about a shoulder head shoulder here, but it looks like Bitcoin is starting to break out here on the 7-day. Oh, what the? Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. We did not just print that big nasty red candle as soon as I clicked on this. There's no way, bro. That did no top on. Literally just started breaking down just a little bit, but again, not too much, not too concerned yet, but we do have to be careful, just because again, don't want to break down too far. You guys can see we have some support here. Maybe Bitcoin can start rounding out its pattern and breaking up against some of these key ranges. Now we do have to be paying attention to the fact that this could possibly also be a rising wedge here, and if we do not hold that, then we can start breaking down off of that as well. Let's start seeing where some of these key levels are, so you guys could see, right? If we start breaking down below this level right here, we might need to see a retest of this range, but there's a chance also that we can use that as some support now, right? As you can see on the 1 hour, if we could start bouncing off this upper Keltner channel, start seeing somewhat of a recovery happening on Bitcoin. Also on the 1-day chart, looking like maybe, just maybe, we could turn it back around, right? This could really go anywhere, and that's what I was saying. Usually real price action happens on a Thursday. I'm curious to know, are we going to be looking good, or is this bad boy going to be breaking down pretty soon? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Did talk about the fact that this could have a possible retest of this, you know, even as low as 90, 100k, 95 to 100k. It's probably what I would assume the bottom would be if we haven't already hit the bottom. I mean, maybe we already bottomed out, and we will start seeing a recovery on Bitcoin happening pretty soon. Again, these markets are usually highly speculative, especially early in the week. We see a ton of volatility, and guys, nothing's new. 82% of people bullish on it, 18% of people not so bullish on it. Bitcoin hanging in the wind right now. Can we break up, or is it time to break down? Right? A lot of people, somebody said BTC, $15 million long position, talking about some take profit zones and stuff like that. I don't do that kind of stuff, so you gotta do your own research, decide if that's what you want to do. Seemed like it was a good trade, right? It's already, I think he's already hit his take profit. Oh, that's pretty bullish. Somebody else says BTC rises above 106. Interesting. Can Bitcoin continue the run, right? Can we shoot back up on our fear greed index? Somebody said 44 minutes ago that the fear greed index is coming in at a 64 right now. On CoinMarketCap, it's saying that the fear greed index is coming in at a 58, but again, maybe there's a delay on it. I don't know. Let's talk about some Toshi. Toshi seems to be recovering pretty nicely as well. Up in the past 6 hours, 6%. Is Toshi Coin also going to see a recovery happening pretty soon? Possible double bottom here on the 15-minute chart. Also the 1 hour chart looking like starting to see some positive price action. Big possible breakout, right? This is a big retest right here. We really got to start breaking up out of some of these zones for Toshi if we want Toshi to continue this uptrend. Toshi has been rocking and rolling for the past couple weeks, but again, we don't want to break down off this trend. We need to continue the volume, and that is going to require a whole lot of people sharing videos and liking content and stuff like that. But the market is ultimately going to be the decider of the value of all these coins. So just understand that, guys, that, these coins are going to be highly volatile right now, especially with Bitcoin looking the way it does. Toshi, not looking bad at all, in my opinion. Not looking bad at all. 3-day looks solid, holding some support down there on that second Keltner channel. Also, our 1 week chart looking a little bit funky, right? Maybe we could start eating up some of these nasty candles, though. You guys could see printed a couple of nasty candles. But if not, we do look like we need to see some kind of a retest as well into 1 week still. But again, we're not breaking down too far. Also, the monthly chart looks pretty nice, right? I'm not too concerned. I am paying attention overall because, again, the market is looking suspect, but at the same time, nothing too out of the ordinary, right? Can Bitcoin go on to see a new all-time high? Can this alt market start to recover? It looks like it might be seeing a bounce up, right? Possible double bottom here. Is altcoin season on the way? Can it be here sooner than we think? Or, again, is June going to be a rough month for Bitcoin and for altcoins? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, if you guys have not yet tapped in over on Patreon, join us on Patreon so you can get tapped into the Telegram. I want to meet you guys. I want to hang out. Join us on Patreon. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.